Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So on the Natgas chart, we continue to see here this move to the upside currently that is unfolding as an ending diagonal in a wave C of a larger degree fourth wave. That's still the idea. Yeah, the idea is that a third wave stopped or finished, completed here on the 22nd of February. Price was around 195 at the time. With a bit of a reaction to the upside as an A wave, we came down strongly in a B wave, avoided, I think, to make a new low. Maybe we made a slightly lower low, but that's possible in a B wave. Yeah, I think it made a slightly lower low, overshooting B wave to the downside, and therefore we are calling this a so-called flat structure. A wave up, B wave down, can overshoot to the downside in a flat, and now we're moving up in a C wave. And in this C wave, they are always 5-wave moves, yeah. But the sub-wave structures are 3-wave structures, which means that this must be an ABC here in a wave 1. Then we came down in an ABC structure in a wave 2. We're now moving up in a third wave, so we should expect higher. Maybe we come down a little more before we go higher, but essentially we expect higher in a C wave confirmation that we're going up. We talked already about this trend line. That's already broken, so maybe this is the first indication that we're now going higher. Certainly a break of the trend line is something that is noteworthy, but we will really only have confirmation for the C wave if we break above the A wave high at 288. But essentially, as you know, we expect price to go higher in the next few weeks. And the condition for that is that we're holding the 229 level, this relevant support level. So at the moment, price reversed here in the support range, but it's not entirely confirmed if we really move higher. I would have liked to see price at least touch the 50% retracement. Now, a B wave doesn't need to do that. So the next days will show if the B wave is already over. At the moment, the rally is only in 3 waves, but if this is a C wave, again, the move up should be ideally impulsive. So let's see. What certainly needs to be mentioned here at the moment, that B wave is very shallow. Now, B waves are the waves in Elliott wave, which are the most difficult to forecast because they are the most diverse. Okay, they can be very shallow, they can be very deep, they can be very long, yeah, they can be short. So there's a lot of variation in B waves. So we always need to be a bit careful when we try to forecast where they go to. Best to just understand the relevant pivot point, which is here 229. As long as that level is holding, a higher price in wave C can be expected. Below 229, a higher price in wave C will get less likely, but the make or break point is really only here $2.14. Now that's how far price could really come down without invalidating the current structure. And generally, the short-term trend is up and we still expect price to go higher in wave C. Now, what would be a reasonable target for a C wave if wave B already finished? So we can take the Fibonacci extensions, take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the current B wave. Now again, I cannot rule out that it comes down once more lower because we have so far 3 waves down, 3 waves up. This can easily extend down lower. That would at the moment still be my expectation. While we broke the trend line, I think it would still be reasonable to expect another low because so far we haven't made a new high. So it's not enough information to consider a change in trend from a very, very local downtrend here, localized, very short-term downtrend, back to continue the uptrend that started in April. But target-wise for the C wave, I mean, very first level where we should see a reaction is the $3 level, the 61.8 extension. But in an ideal world, it reaches the 1-to-1 ratio. So that's at the moment my nominal target for now, 327 for the C wave of wave 3. Yeah, that's everything at the moment with regards to Natgas. Not too much more happened. Essentially, it's a boring range in which we're moving. All markets seem to be quite boring at the moment, unfortunately. So sorry, I can't do anything about that. So yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.
you.